Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the Halloween game at SQ Airsoft. This is a continuation of the games from part 2 and 3. Enjoy!
Hey, werewolf out at the top of the hill. Do we have the hill?
Pretty sure. We might not in a second.
Huh?
We might not in a second.
Shit, the hill.
Yeah, there's a bunch of buildings.
Did you get shot at?
I don't know.
My goggles are starting to fog.
Bravo. Are they on our team? I don't know. They're shot at us though. You're fat. Bravo. Did you guys just team kill everybody? Yep, you did. Cool. Cool, guys. I wasn't hit. Nice. Hey, I'm not being stupid. Yeah, can we get your ass? Yeah, I got it. I don't need to.
Medic.
No. Stay down. Don't even say that.
You got him? You good?
Love this rule. As the team's medic, I love this rule. One thing, I have 2 kills and at least 19 revives this game.
Hey,
Down?
hold up. I got an idea. You want to swing around further?
Are you down?
I'm up.
You want to use that ability as yours? You want to use charge? Who here is down?
I think we're all out.
Hey, anybody lose a pistol, man?
Huh?
Anybody lose a pistol, man?
What kind of pistol? Oh, no, I'm good.
So we all stand up and charge. Alright, I'll start it.
Peter,
Yeah.
charge.
Charge!
We're on the same team!
We're all on the same team. Guys,
Hit!
stop.
Hey, can somebody revive people? Still alive.
Hey, no, don't peek that corner. There's people in the house.
Someone's already revived me.
We're all dead now, by the way.
No, we're not. We didn't get hit by BBs. You're revived. I'm revived.
Wait, are you tan or green?
Tan.
Okay. Can we crawl through the windows?
I mean, we can. No one's alive in here.
Someone's alive in here?
Earlier,
Everyone's dead. Like dead or just dead?
I know.
What's with the flag? Are we playing capture the flag next or something?
I'm going straight down.
We're attacking, right? Bro, you been shot in the nips yet?
Nah, yo, anybody want a dum-dum?
Better move gun, not that.
You know, me and my gun was getting a little bit.
Go, 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 go!
I'm following
Go,
you.
go, go! Let's go get shot!
My bad. They run the wall. Right in front, right in front.
You guys want to push?
Someone's in tower.
You have 0 mid?
Yeah.
That's about as close as I can get to the building.
Hit! I swear both hit. All 3 of us are hit. Yeah, you can drag me. Hey, you gotta have a hand on me though.
Hey, we're all dead over here!
Yeah, that's good.
Is anyone else dead? Are you dead?
Alright, thanks, bud.
Here, cover me. I'm gonna drag him.
Alright, I'm running across. Alright, you're up. Hey, get low. Stay low. Stay low. Hey, are there still people in tower? Hey, I think there's someone straight across 6 o'clock. I can't tell if they're not on our team. Okay, they're dead. Hey, is tower clear? Hey, they're about to send reinforcements to tower. Watch it. Tower's neutral, yeah.
Alright.
There's a yellow jacket flying by your balls.
Yep. I'm gonna kill it in a minute.
Don't kill it, because they release a pheromone that attracts others to their position.
What else am I supposed to do about it?
Huh? You just leave it alone and it won't sting you.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, bro.
I'm gonna go back up and... No, you're good.
Are you pushing tower?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You gonna get lit up, dog.
I know I am.
Hey, wait for us to all get up and loaded, and we'll give you cover fire.
Okay. Thank you.
I see you guys got a very nice squad over here.
Yeah, so
I got one skeleton. We need two. We need just one more to win. I don't know how much time we have, but if we're
3
gonna
minutes.
do something, we need to do it now.
where's the other skeletons?
I have no idea where any other ones are at.
There's none in the tower.
All right,
How many? 5 or 4?
How many do we have?
We have,
We have
2.
two
I just got
skeletons. We
1,
need-
so we only need one
we
more
need
to
one
win.
more.
Okay, we all have to just push up. Let me put Emma in this
Well,
thing and then
Hold up. Give it a second. We'll all make a big push.
they have to be in count.
One on my belt.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit!
Oh, you just put it in the backpack?
I'm hit. I'm hit.
That works.
Can anyone red?
I was up in the back there. I meant this one, but it's cool.
Medic.
I'm not gonna use them for a little bit anyway.
Well, at least in your camo bag.
Yeah, I got them.
There ain't no way he didn't get hit. All right, medic, please.
No.
Halfway there.
30. There wasn't no way that was gay. Definitely wasn't gay.
That's Airsoft.
I
I'm
promise.
used to it.
All right, one. Okay, you get president. All right, do we want to push tower? Maybe take it and get an angle on everyone.
I don't want to take tower. Tower is dangerous.
Yeah, but without tower, we don't have the high ground.
Fire. Take a fire. Peter.
Yeah,
Have you seen any other or no?
Yeah, we just took shots from this direction.
I see him.
Getting close to you, bro.
My last mag.
Yeah, I'm on my last 2.
Look at these boys running the action.
Push up!
Push the tower! Push out! Push out! Hit!
Well guys, that's going to wrap up part 3. I know that I've been uploading a ton of parts from this game, but that's mainly because of how much footage I got. Anyways, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the field.